Welcome back. Earlier I told you in the previous video how to write isomers and name a compound that's containing a double bond, right? Let's say I give you a formula containing just carbon and hydrogens, okay? Say C9H18, okay? And I don't tell you whether this compound is an alkane or alkene, all right? There's two ways you can figure this out, okay? The first method might work for this particular kind of cases where it's only carbon and hydrogen, but it won't work for compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, and a third element, okay? So be cautious and use it as you feel it's necessary, all right? So as I said, to figure out is this compound alkene or not, that's very easy, all right? All you've got to do is, okay, all you have to do is CnH2n is the formula, right? Start applying this carbon into this to see if you get 18 back, all right? So if I put 9 in here, it's 2 times 9 is 18, right? This equals 18, right? So that means I do get my hydrogens back. So I do know this compound contains a double bond, right? Okay. Now, contrary, that's easiest way to find if this compound contains a double bond or not, okay? Now there's another question that you want to ask, which is how many double bonds do I have? That is, do I have just one of these or do I have multiple of this in a single compound? We don't know, okay? And the only way you would answer that would be, first we're going to call this is our given compound, right? And then we're going to get at the parent compound, okay? This is the compound we're working with. We're going to get the parent compound, and for that we're going to use the formula CnH2n plus 2. The parent is always the alkane, okay? Alkane, right? So if I put the 9 in here, I will probably get 20, right? So that's my parent compound, right? Now to find how many double bonds, okay, double bonds. The first question was, does the compound contain a double bond at all? Yeah, we answered that. That's easy. All you got to do is put it in, see if you get this formula back. But how many double bonds is a slightly tricky question. All you have to do is first figure out what this parent compound is using the alkane formula. It's always the same. There are no exceptions to it. Now come back. I'm going to get a different color so I can do this math right. So you put the parent at the top and you write your, let me write this in a different color. Okay. You write the given compound below and subtract, okay, the 2. Okay, let's get maybe a black again. Okay. Well, the carbons cancel out because they're the same number, whereas hydrogens, you divide 20 by 18, 20 minus 18 is 2, and you always divide by 2. This is a constant, okay? You always divide by 2. Always. So that is 1. That means the compound contains only one double bond. Okay, so you don't have multiple sets of it, just one double bond. What that really means is you have just one of these. Okay, so I just will show you just one case of it as I come back and do another example on a different compound. All right, so stay tuned.